wanted to say that I do have a new channel, which is D's Corner T. Well, it's actually D's Corner, but it's going to be me giving to you about latest it's going to be giving updates on celebrities, etc., drama. So if you guys are interested in that, hit the subscribe button for that channel. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a springtime look, and the springtime look is going to be coming from the eBay 180 palette. You guys, just type in a 180 palette for eBay. You're going to get so many colors. So I'm going to start out with that Tiffany blue, and I'm going to apply it to the crease. Now, usually this is something different for me. I usually don't go with a light color like this. I usually go with a light brown or a dark brown. This is something really, really different. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to use that blue, and I'm going to start the blue off. And I'm going to work in some other colors. Going in with the darker blue, and I am going to be applying it right up under the teal blue. Now, using bright looks can be kind of complicated depending on what look you're going for, but I was very impressed and also very proud of myself with the look that I did, because I was like unsure on how it was going to look at first, because these colors are so different. So if you guys want me to do more bright, colorful looks, then let me know in the comments, because this one was interesting to do. I know I can be lazy when it comes out to cleaning my brushes, but you guys, this right here, I went to TJ Maxx and I came across this product. The best thing ever. I will do a review if you guys want me to. And I'm going in with the purple from the same exact palette, you guys. And I'm going to be applying it right up under the blue. And I know it's like, girl, how many colors are you going to put in the crease? But, you know, I was experimenting, and I'm sorry. But I did those 3 colors. And then I took the e.l.f. Medium Beige 16-Hour Cameo Concealer. And I'm going to cut the crease. Put the pink right in the inner corner and kind of drag it, because the pink in the inner corner and up towards the blue made kind of like a nice little ombre. So I thought that'll be nice to do. I'll be taking the yellow from the same exact palette, and I'm going to be applying it right onto the lid. Now look how connecting the yellow and pink and how it made an orange. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so amazing. And so I just took that and I just applied it to the lid, the entire lid, guys. now I am going to be taking the lash glue. I don't know where I put my NYX glitter glue, but it didn't do any bad reaction or anything, so that's a good thing. And I'm going to apply it so that the glitter can stick. I wasn't sure with the glitter palettes if they were pigment or just pressed in, but they are pressed in. I'm just going to be taking that yellow color and I'm going to apply it to the lid. So with everything being applied, I'm going to apply eyeliner and lashes off camera, and that should complete the look. Once everything's done, follow me on Instagram for more pictures of this look and everything else. And I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye.